Hello, this is Carla, and I'm currently in San Gimignano in Italy. And I just wanted to share with you this awesome scenery, and we'll be sharing with you my tour through the organic farm, the winery, and our delicious meals. So here's a view of the scenery.
Welcome everybody to the farm. My name is Sarah. I'm one of the owners of the farm. This is a family business and an organic farm. You will be here upstairs on the right for a wonderful lunch with our products. But right now, let's do a little tour of the farm so I can show you which are our products. Farm, so we can only use natural products and we cannot use pesticide or chemical compost. So we can use only the copper and the sulfur, they are natural, and the natural compost that is coming from our cows that we feed with our natural food that grow up in the farm. So of course the meat and the compost that they produce is organic. So right here we can see the Chianina cows. Chianina name comes from Val di Chiana, that means Chiana Valley. That is a valley in the south of Siena. So right here you will see a female with a little baby cow that he born only 10 days ago. So he's 10 days old, he born in the morning. So right here we have really a lot of baby cows here. So you see that for the first 2-3 weeks they are spending all their time together, so the mother can feed the little baby when she wants. After that we are going to split them so the little baby cows can start to eat also the organic food produced here. But by the way, we open the gate twice per day, so of course they can join their mothers to have some extra milk. So right there on your left side you will see all the females. Those are mothers. They have a very long life. They can live until 10 years, so it's a very long life for a cow. And they are also free to go outside, so they can walk in the fields and eat the fresh grass from the fields and the water, drink the water from the lake. We have a brown and white cow that she's not Chianina, but she's a milk cow, that she already had a little baby yesterday. She gave birth to the little baby cow that is right here in the corner. So she's the milk cow. She can produce 4 liters of milk in the morning and 4 liters of milk in the evening. That's the milk cow because the Chianina cows is for meat production and not for milk production. Time 8 days ago. So of course they are 9 months pregnant. So she finished the time 8 days ago, so she's almost having a baby. Probably she will have later in the evening or tomorrow morning. We can produce every year 200,000 bottles of wine. And here at the farm we produce 8 different kinds of wine, 3 white and 5 red. 2 of the wine that we are going to test for lunch are produced here in that room. The first one will be the Vernaccia of San Gimignano. Vernaccia is a white wine produced with 100% of Vernaccia grapes. And it's a very unique and typical product of San Gimignano because you cannot find this wine produced in other place in the world. It's only produced in San Gimignano. Then the second wine you will test is the Chianti red wine that is produced with 85% of Sangiovese, the grapes that we saw a few minutes ago in the vineyard, and the 15% of Colorino, Canaiolo, Ciliegiolo, and Malvasia. Those are all typical red grapes from this area that grew up in this farm. So we can really tell that in that room we do the young production. What does it mean, young production? That means that we don't age an extra time the wine. So we harvest the grapes right now in September, and the next year around May or June the wine will be ready to be drink or to be bottled. So we don't do an extra aging to this wine. For this reason we call young production. But of course we have also small production that we like to age in the French oak barrels. So if you follow